to my channel. Today I am doing a 100% honest slime review video because I love these videos so freaking much. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down below. I love slime review videos. Holy cow, I'm tired. If I should do more slime review videos, give this video to 13,000 thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below if you are new to my channel because I just want you to hang around for a little bit. And I'm currently having a slime supplies giveaway. I'm giving away a ton of supplies for your slime shop. And if you want to make your own slime shop, if you want to get in that industry, I'm making that happen for you guys. So I'm doing weekly giveaways all throughout June where I announce the winner every Saturday, and then it goes throughout the entire week. And the only rules are subscribe to this channel, Nichole Jacklyne. Go follow me on Instagram at nicholejacklyne and at slime by Jacklyne. Both Instagrams should be followed. And then go follow me on the app called Dote. It's D-O-T-E. My username is at nicholejacklyne. It's all linked down below for you guys. The app Dote is literally so cool. This is not sponsored at all, but it's a really cool like fashion shopping app. And it's honestly like Pinterest, but you can purchase things, so it's very dangerous, but it's a good kind of dangerous. I love it. And I also have giveaways on that app as well, like Urban Outfitters, like Forever 21, like really nice brands to wear, honestly. So I will have all those rules down below in the links. All linked down below for you guys. Let's hop right in to this slime review video, and yeah. Okay, this first slime is probably my favorite one in the world. This is from the Slime Lab. And by the way, all these packages were sent to me. I am so thankful for that. This slime was probably one of my favorite slimes of all time. It's so thick. It smells literally so delicious. And I can't get over how smooth, but how thick this smelled. This absolutely felt so amazing, and I just could not stop playing with it. It is such a nice slime. I was blown away. This is the first one I touched of all this whole package, so I was just pretty excited. This next slime is a white base with purple Phloem beads. It's so glossy and so clicky. It's very nice like cereal slime kind of feel with the Phloem beads and nice like glossy base. Super thick, super nice texture. I could not stop playing with this one either. I was very impressed with this one so far. And this slime, okay, I will say the only one problem I had was the fishbowl beads kept falling out of it, but it wasn't that bad. In the end, it wasn't that terrible. I honestly thought it was pretty great. It just had a bunch of fallout, which is totally okay because that happens a lot with these fishbowl kind of slimes, but altogether it was a really nice slime. It smells super sweet and fruity, and it has a bunch of jumbo Phloem beads with a few larger charms, and then it has the fishbowl beads as well. Super shiny, super glossy. This slime reminds me of an Andes mint, which is like the best kind of scent in the world. I could not get over it. It was so glossy, very thick. It was like the good amount of thick where it wasn't too thick, but it wasn't good. It was like thick with two C's, you know, the good kind of thick, as I hear these days. Okay, it was great. I love it. So glossy. Next we have a cloud slime. This cloud slime was a little bit, it didn't fall like I would like it to, but I did prepare it for like a solid 10 minutes and it still fell decently well. But it was a super nice slime to play with. I don't really care personally if my slime falls really easily. Like, I'm totally okay if it's just really soft to play with for a cloud slime. I could not get over how nice this felt. It was so beautiful. Ignore the random pink slime in this. That's totally my fault. It honestly reminded me almost of like whipped butter in a way, but it was a slime, so it's like the best situation in the world. Next we have this slime that has a pink base with yellow, white, and blue Phloem beads. This slime was amazing. It almost feels like more of a cornstarchy kind of slime. It's super nice and I just love how thick it was. And you know, it's just one of those cereal slimes. My dog is literally sneezing. Like, are you kidding me? Next we have this purpley blue Phloem or slime base with the yellow, purple, and green Phloem beads. Once again, another kind of like cereal slime kind of slime again. It's very glossy. All these slimes, if anything, they were all just like consistently really nice and I liked that a lot. This next slime was probably one of my favorites as well. I love these foam chunk like garter rail protectors in slime. It's so amazing. If you have not seen my video where I did a DIY how to make this exact slime, I will have it linked down below for you guys. It's a DIY foam giant chunk video. It's on my channel, pretty recent, so it's linked down below, but this literally smells so good. It's like very chocolatey. It kind of reminds me of like a chocolate sundae in a way. It's so thick, so nice. I just love the feeling of the foam when you use a slime. It's so nice. And next we have Slime Reaction, and this was also sent to me. This is a super thick purple slime. It's probably one of my favorite ones of this whole package from Slime Reaction. It's super glossy and super thick. I just love the feeling of this one so much. this next one is a unscented clear slime with the pink pigment in it, and it has that like kind of shifting color powdered pigment. Is that how you say it? I don't know, but it's so nice. I just love how pretty this one is. This next one has a shifting color as well. It shifts from like a pink to a green kind of color, and I think it's so pretty. It was so clicky and so nice. This one was a little bit hard for me. The butter slime, I had to push down really hard to make it buttery kind of feeling and play with it a little bit to get it where it had to be. And by the way, I went through this entire videos of slime and I got them all pre-activated and stuff before I filmed this video because I knew it'd be possibly an issue. So just so you know, I worked on this slime for 3 hours before I filmed the video. This next slime is from the Bomb Slime, and this is like a really thick, it honestly reminds me so much of Audrey's Audie Slime, her like cow cream. It literally felt like that. It was so thick, unreal thick, like so good, and I couldn't stop playing with it. Very nice texture and scent, yes. I loved it so much. This next one reminds me so much of like a Wildberry Pop-Tart, and it kind of smelled like that too. It's a purple base with blue Phloem beads. I love this. I definitely want to recreate it from my slime shop. It's so nice. I kind of want to do a Pop-Tart themed restock. If you want that video, comment down below. Or I mean a video, because it'd be a slime restocking video as well. Anywho, this is such a nice slime. I couldn't get over it. It just was so crunchy and just so beautiful. The coloring of this was just so pleasing to watch and play with. If I should do more slime review, I cannot talk. If I should do more slime review videos, get this video to whatever I said in the beginning, 12,000, 13,000, just give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe down below. I would love to hit 900,000 subscribers. That'd be kind of crazy. A little new milestone. Honestly, I'd be shook about that. And go into my giveaway. It is all linked down below for you guys. And also comment down below when you are done with school for the year. I would love to know that also. So bye guys.